Reading, Years 3 and 4. Day 1, The Victory Dogs by Megamix. The aim of this unit of learning is to focus on finding and recording information from a fictional text. It will also include abbreviations, descriptive writing, general knowledge, and reflection. The learning objective is to find and record information from a fictional text. The success criteria: I can find and record information from a fictional text. I can also use this information to improve my own descriptive writing. I can even predict what might happen next in the story. The Victory Dogs by Megamix. Megamix has written several wonderful books in which dogs are the central characters in the story. She tells of the powerful bond between people and animals in an informative, realistic and moving way. This story was set at the time of war in Europe. Read the extract from chapter 1. You may need to read this several times. Remember to underline any words you do not understand. You can use a dictionary to look up these words. Task. This is the opening passage from the book. We have met 3 characters and find out quite a lot about them. Misty, Jack, and Amy. From the text, find out something about each character. Complete the worksheet. There are some facts to help you get started, such as one of the characters is 12 years of age. Day 2. ARP. ARP is an abbreviation. An abbreviation is a short form of a word. Using an abbreviation can make it easier and faster to say things while you are writing. ARP is an abbreviation for air raid precautions. Read this extract from chapter 1. You may wish to read this several times. Remember to underline any words that you do not understand and use a dictionary to find out their meaning. Task. Abbreviations are the shortened forms of words. Here are some examples of some abbreviations of some organisations. NHS. Do you know what this abbreviation stands for? National Health Service. DFE. Do you know what this abbreviation stands for? It stands for the Department for Education. Complete the worksheet and remember to read the text again to find any clues. Day 3. Puppies. Extract from chapter 5. Read the text. You may have to read this several times. Remember to underline any words that you do not understand and use a dictionary to find out the meaning of these words. Task. Today our focus will be on descriptive words. A verb is a doing word. An example: today I'm going to read a book. Read being the doing word. A noun is a thing. An example: Sophie was feeling very tired. Sophie is the thing. Adverb tells us more about the verb. Example, he ran quickly. Quickly being the adverb. Adjective tells us more about the noun. Example, they live in a beautiful house. Adjective being beautiful. Root words. What is a root word? It is a basic word with no prefix or suffix added to it. A prefix is a string of letters that go at the start of a word. A suffix is a string of letters that go at the end of a word. By adding prefixes and suffixes to a root word, we can change its meaning. Today we'll be looking at suffixes. Example, hunt being the root word. By adding ed becomes hunted. By adding ing becomes hunting. By adding er becomes hunter, etc. Complete today's worksheet. Day 4. Read the extract from Chapter 6. Maybe you will need to read it several times. Task. Megamix does not give our animals voices, but just this once you are going to pretend that you are a dog and you can write. Write one paragraph that is about your happy life at home and then describe how disaster strikes when a bomb falls on your house. Remember, as a dog, you do not know anything about the war and why this is happening. Use the prompts on the worksheet to help you. For example, what do you see? The sky was full of bright red sparks. Day 5. Read the extract from Chapter 10. Read this several times if you need to. Also, remember to underline any words that you do not understand and use the dictionary to look up the meaning of these words. Task. Look at the 3 different photos and write a paragraph for each photo, describing what you see, what you might hear, what you might smell, what you might taste, and what you might feel. We will look at this one together. You may see parts of the building destroyed. You may hear an eerie silence. You may smell the smell of smoke. You may taste the dust filling the air. You may feel the hairs on your arms standing up on end. There are 2 more pictures for you to look at. Do the same for each photo. Remember to use the different senses and describe each picture. Plenary. What do you think happened next in the story? Write a couple of paragraphs. How do you think life was living in the underground with lots and lots of other people? Maybe you want to write about what happened once the war was over. Reflection. How well did you do? Did you complete your learning objective? Success criteria. Did you manage to complete all the success criteria?